Hi everyone, it's ELLE KOS Glam. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. I have a treat for you. I'm going to show you how to pamper yourself while you're on vacation. Right now I'm cruising on the Carnival Liberty. We went to Nassau, we went to Princess K Island, and today we have a day at sea. And what I do on day at seas is I actually pamper myself. I give myself spa treatments. So if you can't afford the spa sessions, Carnival's cruises or the Princess or Royal Caribbean or whatever it is, you can do them yourself, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how I pack. I'm going to show you everything that I do, and it's all DIY. On a cruise it can get very pricey to go to the spas, but I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. So let's get started. The first thing that I do when I'm on vacation is I make sure I have water in the room, or I bring my own. You always want to make sure you have a big giant glass of water. That's how I start my vacation. I like to cleanse while I'm on vacation. I try not to eat a lot, but when I'm really working out and I'm watching what I eat, I make sure I drink a ton of water. It's hot. You eat a lot on a cruise, and everybody knows you cruise just for the food. Usually we're traveling to hot places. It's usually hot and the food is delicious and you want to make sure you fill up on water first. So I drink a glass of water before and after my dinner, just to make sure I stay regular and healthy. And you can dehydrate very quick when you're on a cruise because it's really hot on the islands. You want to take water with you. Make sure you drink water. Have a fresh glass of water when you're pampering yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to pamper yourself while you're on vacation. I'm going to take the Pond's wipes and wipe off any excess makeup that's on my face previously before we do this tutorial. I'm going to take you through all the steps. Next, I'm going to use my Neutrogena oil-free face wash, which is for acne, and I'm going to wash it with a brush, a body brush, and actually it's a gift from my mom. It's the last gift she gave me, so it's very special to me. I'm going to go ahead and brush that on, rinse it off, and take a towel and wipe off any excess soap. You want to make sure you're very gentle with your skin when you're wiping it with the towel. If this video has helped you, and your comments can help somebody else, so leave me a thumbs up, share it if you love it, and I appreciate it if you subscribe. Next, we're going to take our charcoal mask and put that all over our face, and you want to use like 2 or 3 dollops and just place it on your face. What you don't want to do is you don't want to get it in your eyes, you don't want to get it on your eyebrows, and you don't want to get it in your mouth. You want to make sure you're careful when you're applying this because it's very strong. It has a strong pull when you take it off, so you want to be careful not to get it on anything besides your face. And we're all done applying. As I do my spa treatments, I like to drink my water. So I'm going to grab a cup of water. This is how I keep myself healthy from the inside out. You need water, 8 glasses a day, even on vacation. After 15 minutes, it's dry. And now it's time to take the mask off. If you notice in my mask, both have aloe in them. Aloe is very good for detoxifying the skin and bringing moisture into the skin, because the charcoal pulls out the impurities, the aloe puts the moisture back in. So first I use the charcoal mask, and then next I'm going to use the cucumber mask. This detoxifies the impurities and it helps clear your skin, and this actually puts moisture back into your skin. This is a cucumber and aloe mask. So let's take off our charcoal mask. is left over from the charcoal mask, I always wipe it off with the Pond's baby wipe. And as you can see, it's all going. My skin looks so much better. Now time for the Petal Fresh Age Defying Facial Peel Mask from Botanicals. It has aloe and cucumber in it, and it's going to put the moisture right back into my skin. And when you're done with that mask, it should look just like this. It's wet. We're going to wait till it dry and peel it off as well. When the mask dry, it should look something like this. And then you go ahead and peel it off from the top down. There's something satisfying about peeling off a mask that's relaxing to me. You want to take the Pond's baby wipe and wipe off the rest. This is the perfect time to take time out for yourself. My skin feels like feathers. It's very soft, it's glowing, it's blushing, and I really enjoyed this downtime I have while I'm traveling. I'm going to follow up my skin regimen with a nice light cream for nighttime. This is Night Cream by Neutrogena. It also has an SPF in it. It's very light. I like to wear it during the day as well, and it puts moisture back into your skin. And you're all set with your face. Now to start on your body. Now that we have our face all done, we're going to move on to our body. I'm using this mineral almond oil soft scrub. This is one of my favorite soft scrubs. Your body will feel like feathers when you're done. You want to be gentle and apply it all over your body. I'm in the shower and I just love to apply it. And then after I'm done applying it, I like to rinse it off with some warm water. This particular soft scrub is so hydrating. It's actually from the Dead Sea, and it's really, really moisturizing for your skin. You're going to notice after you use it, you don't need any lotion, you don't need anything, but I like to apply things over it just to lock in the moisture. If you love to cruise and you love to be at the beach, you will love this soft scrub. Next, I'm going to use Grove Collaborative Coconut Lotion and also their Skin Food. I really love both. They're like the dynamic duo. They work great together. I also like to use the Skin Food for my hair. I like to put coconut oil in my hair to seal it. Next, you want to grab some fluffy socks and put those atop of all the work that you did. You want to sleep in the fluffy socks. And the reason why is because it soaks in the moisture and makes your feet soft as cotton, and you're all set. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below. Let me know what your favorite spa treatments are when you're on vacation. Live your dreams. Glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, guys.